Welcome to an extensive guide on how to make money this year. In this video, we will explore various methods to help you increase your income and achieve financial success. So grab a pen and paper, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of money-making opportunities this year. Part 1: Freelancing. Our first topic is freelancing. Freelancing has become a popular way to earn money, allowing you to offer your services to clients worldwide. Building your skill set is crucial for success as a freelancer. Identify your strengths and invest time in honing those skills. This could involve taking courses, attending workshops, or practicing independently. As you develop your expertise, establish your online presence by creating a professional website or portfolio. Showcase your work, client testimonials, and relevant experience to attract potential clients. Next, it's essential to utilize freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr to connect with clients. Create a compelling profile that highlights your skills, experience, and unique value proposition. Actively bid on relevant projects, and once you secure a gig, ensure clear communication and meet deadlines to build a solid reputation. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Freelancing requires discipline, time management, and exceptional communication skills, but with dedication, it can be a profitable venture. It's important to note that the demand for freelancers is likely to continue to rise this year. The pandemic has accelerated the shift towards remote work, creating new opportunities for freelancers in various fields. To stay competitive, consider staying updated on industry trends, networking with other freelancers, and seeking feedback from clients. You may also want to consider specializing in a particular niche or offering a unique service to differentiate yourself from others. Freelancing can provide flexibility, autonomy, and financial stability, making it a viable option for those looking to earn money this year. However, freelancing comes with its own set of challenges. Securing projects, managing client expectations, and maintaining work-life balance can be difficult. It's important to set boundaries and prioritize self-care to avoid burnout. It's also crucial to stay organized and track your income and expenses to ensure financial stability. With the right mindset and approach, freelancing can be a fulfilling and profitable career choice. Part 2: Investment. Moving on to investment. Investing is a traditional method of making money that continues to be relevant this year. Before investing, it's crucial to understand the risks and rewards associated with different investment options. Conduct thorough research, read financial literature, and consult with professionals if needed. Diversification is key to managing risk. Spread your investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. To start investing, you can use online brokerage platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade. These platforms provide access to a wide range of investment options and offer user-friendly interfaces. Research the market, analyze company financials, and make informed decisions. Keep in mind that investing requires a long-term perspective. Stay updated on market trends, but avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term fluctuations. With careful planning and consistent investment, you can build a profitable investment portfolio. In addition to traditional investment options, this year may see a rise in socially responsible investing, SRE. SRE involves investing in companies that align with your values and social objectives. This could include companies that prioritize sustainability, diversity and inclusion, or ethical business practices. SRE can be a powerful tool for creating positive social and environmental impact while generating financial returns. Another emerging trend in investment is impact investing. Impact investing involves investing in companies or funds that have a specific social or environmental mission alongside financial goals. This approach allows individuals to support causes they care about while potentially earning a return on their investment. Impact investing opportunities can range from renewable energy projects to affordable housing initiatives, empowering investors to make a difference in areas that align with their values. Additionally, this year may see an increased interest in alternative investments such as real estate crowdfunding, peer-to-peer lending, and venture capital. These investment avenues provide opportunities for diversification and potentially higher returns. However, they also come with their own set of risks and require careful consideration and due diligence. It's important to note that investing is not without risks. Markets can be volatile, and there is always a degree of uncertainty. It's essential to have a long-term perspective, set realistic expectations, and have a well-defined investment strategy. Consider your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon when making investment decisions. Regularly review your portfolio, make necessary adjustments, and stay informed about market developments. Remember, investing is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Seek advice from financial professionals if needed, and always make decisions based on your own research and understanding. By building a well-diversified portfolio and adopting a prudent investment approach, you can potentially grow your wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. Part 3: E-commerce. Let's now talk about the thriving world of e-commerce. Starting an e-commerce business can be a lucrative opportunity this year. Begin by identifying a profitable product or service. Conduct market research to understand consumer demand, competition, and pricing dynamics. Look for a unique selling point or niche that sets your offering apart from others. This could involve customized products, exceptional customer service, or a compelling brand story. Once you've identified your product, create an online store using e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Customize your store's design, organize your products, and set up secure payment gateways. Invest time and effort in developing a marketing strategy. Leverage social media platforms, influencer partnerships, and email marketing campaigns to drive traffic to your store. Offer exceptional customer experiences, ensure efficient order fulfillment, and actively seek customer feedback to improve your business. In addition to traditional e-commerce, this year may see an increased focus on mobile commerce or m-commerce. With the proliferation of smartphones and mobile apps, more consumers are making purchases directly from their mobile devices. Optimizing your e-commerce store for mobile devices and exploring opportunities within mobile apps can help you tap into this growing market. Furthermore, consider exploring the world of dropshipping and print-on-demand. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without physically stocking inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier. This eliminates the need for upfront inventory investment and reduces fulfillment responsibilities. Print-on-demand, on the other hand, enables you to create custom-designed products that are manufactured and shipped as orders are placed. These models provide flexibility and low upfront costs, making them attractive options for aspiring entrepreneurs. As you embark on your e-commerce journey, it's crucial to continuously analyze and optimize your store's performance. Monitor website traffic, conversion rates, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) strategies to increase organic traffic to your store. Utilize analytics tools to gain insights into consumer behavior and make data-driven decisions. Stay updated on industry trends, attend e-commerce conferences or webinars, and connect with fellow e-commerce entrepreneurs to share knowledge and experiences. It's important to note that building a successful e-commerce business requires time, effort, and perseverance. Be prepared to face challenges such as intense competition, evolving consumer preferences, and changing market dynamics. However, with a strong product offering, effective marketing strategies, and a commitment to providing exceptional customer experiences, you can carve out a profitable niche in the e-commerce landscape of this year.